For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
The Ninja Woodfire Series OG701 is designed for anyone who enjoys cooking outdoors but doesn't want the hassle of managing bulky propane grills or traditional smokers. This compact and weather-resistant 7-in-1 system makes it easy to grill, smoke, roast, or even air fry outdoors. I've personally used it during a small family gathering, and it really felt like having a professional grill setup without the heavy equipment. 7 functions in one. The OG701 is more than just a grill. It's a complete outdoor cooking system with 7 functions. Grill, deliver strong searing and char marks like a full-size propane grill. BBQ smoke, add smoky bark and flavor with just half a cup of wood pellets. Roast, perfect for larger meals like chicken or pork shoulder. Air fry, crispy wings, fries, or veggies with that extra wood smoke touch. Dehydrate, make jerky or dried fruit for snacks. Broil, great for caramelizing finishes. Bake, cook pizza, bread, or desserts outdoors. When I tried air frying potato wedges, I was surprised how much better they tasted with a smoky edge compared to my indoor air fryer. That difference really showed me how versatile this machine is. Real wood fire flavor. The Ninja Woodfire technology is what sets this apart. Instead of relying on gas or charcoal, it uses 100% real hardwood pellets for authentic smoke flavor. Since the pellets are for flavor and not fuel, you only need half a cup per session, which keeps it efficient and simple. Weather-resistant and outdoor-ready. This unit is built to handle outdoor conditions, so it can stay on your patio year-round. I've left mine outside through light rain, and it performed just as well afterward. Being powered by electricity also means no more dragging around propane tanks or messy charcoal. It's plug-and-cook convenience. Easy to use. Setup is straightforward. Plug into a standard 120-volt outlet, add pellets, and select your function. When I tried air frying potato wedges, I was surprised how much better they tasted with a smoky edge compared to my indoor air fryer. That difference really showed me how versatile this machine is. Who it's for. Families who want outdoor cooking made simple. Campers or tailgaters needing a portable but capable unit. BBQ lovers looking for real smoke flavor with less effort. Anyone wanting one appliance that can handle both mains and sides outdoors. Final thoughts. The Ninja Woodfire OG701 combines versatility, flavor, and durability in a single appliance. With 7 cooking functions, real wood pellet technology, weather resistance, and enough capacity for groups, it feels like a reliable choice for anyone who enjoys outdoor meals.